sex strippers, new killers, shot, tell them, just on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching up.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This video is sponsored by ulahair company. Yeah, so it is sponsored by ulahair, and they sent me this beautiful curly wig that's at the back. I'm about to bring it forward just now, but I just want to show you guys what they sent me inside the package. So they sent me some comb, stocking cap. I have one on my head, their instruction on hair care, and I think this is pretty much a thank you card with refund information and all of that. Sweet. Okay, is a 30-inch. I think it's their raw Indian curly, and this is how she's looking. It is HD lace. I think it's 200 density, and yeah, she's ready to be Indianized. But yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys how the wig looks inside. I did pluck Andisha's wig, so I just wanted to let that be known. So this is the inside of the wig. Honestly, this wig, I wish the lace stretched a little bit more, but as you can see, it's very, very see-through. So it is HD lace, but I just wish it stretched a little bit more. They send a band inside the box, so you can always adjust it to whatever head size you have, and also make it glueless as well. And it comes with the 4 combs, one in the middle, 2 on the side, and 1 at the back. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and pretty much install this wig and be Indian again.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right in the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Oh my, all the niggas round me, right in the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one I'm really, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun and friendship. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Oh my, all the niggas round me, right at the guy. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn baby girl, you know me.
I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So tell me about that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. When you walk out, da, 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 da. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your past against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. They send me, I feel why. You see me do my da 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 da. Tell me about that why. When you walk out, la 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 la. When the guy from my ta.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done, and work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done, if you come on. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
They send me, I feel work. You see me do my da 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 da. Tell me about that why. When you walk out, la. When the car from my church.
Yeah. Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace, but honestly that sounds like
So this is pretty much the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, I would like to thank ulahair for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love this wig. It's literally giving me life. I love it. Like, I wish I did a flip over, but I feel like this is cute as well. I like it. It's very cute. Let me just show you guys the finishing product of the hair. This is pretty much like its natural state, to be honest. I only just sprayed a little bit of this, but I didn't go in and wet it and define and all of that. So this is how it will look if you're supposed to get it. Anyways, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.